automatic uh, doorbell with object system. This is breakboard. This is receiver, 3 register or 110 kV register. This is receiver, this is transmitter, this is LED, this is buzzer, this is LM 358 LM 8 pins, 1 pins contacted by this is positive positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive. Buzzer is negative, buzzer is positive. LM one pin is contacted by register with positive baja. Negative baja is contacted by negative terminal. Second LM are contacted by 10 register. Third LMR, third pin contacted by receiver negative terminal. Positive terminal receiver contacted by positive area. Positive transmitter contacted by positive area. 4 pin contact by negative area. 8 pin LMR contacted by positive area. 10K register is contacted, first pin contacted by negative area, second pin contacted by earthing. This is complete. This is negative area, this is positive area. Contacted by batic, contacted by 9 volt batic.